Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Neighbor. Neighbor helps you make money by putting your unused space up for rent. If you don't have a Neighbor account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn $50 Amazon gift card when your space gets rented. Once you clicked on our affiliate link, you will be directed to a page where you can see a button that says, List your space. Click on List your space. Now here, you will see an option for Create a new account. Click on Create a new account. To sign up, enter your first name and last name, the email and password you wish to use, and your phone number. After that, click on the tick box beside I agree to the terms and service. Then click on the Create Account button. Read the reminders shown on the screen. Then click on Next. To get started, click on the option that says Start, beside Property Information. From here onwards, you will be asked several questions regarding your property. Answer it by selecting from the options provided. Once you've answered the questions, enter your address. You could search for your street address on the search field, or enter it manually. Then click on the tick box to acknowledge that you have the permission to rent out the space. After that, describe your space. Summarize its features to help the renters determine if it'll work for them. Once done, click on Next. Next, enter the accurate measurement of your property. Its length, height, and width's unit of measurement must be in foot. Once you're done with property information, you can now customize your listing and complete your profile. Just follow the on-screen instructions and prompts. That's how you sign up for Neighbor. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.